Today we're going to be looking at the finned carbon fiber rear diffuser that you can get for your C8 Z06. So let's get started with this video. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and like I said, we are going to be checking out this rear diffuser here, this finned rear diffuser for that matter, and it is looking freaking awesome. I'm super excited to have this piece that we're going to install on the C8 Z06. It comes from Extreme Online Store, and it actually sells for a pretty amazing price of just under $1,900, which is freaking fantastic for this giant piece of carbon fiber, this complex piece of carbon fiber that you see. I'm honestly kind of flabbergasted because anything of this sort with all these complexities, usually you would see that for like about $3 grand or so, maybe even $4. But for what you're getting, this is an awesome piece. Now this is full carbon fiber. This is not just some kind of plastic piece with carbon fiber overlay on top of it. It is a full carbon fiber piece that is a full replacement piece that will replace your actual OEM rear diffuser. And yeah, I'm just really impressed with how massive this piece is and for the price point that it is. I know I have it upside down on the table here, mostly because if originally I was gonna have it, right side facing up, but then you can't really see it that well. But we'll show you after we install it onto the car how it looks. Now this is specifically for the C8 Z06. This wouldn't fit the ERAY or the Stingray kind of deal. So just something to keep in mind, mostly because of that center exhaust. And this is going to use all the pieces, all the mesh pieces, including that center outlet and those exhaust outlets from your OEM piece. So it's a simple plug and play kind of deal. Now this also has included all the hardware that you're gonna need to install. It already has the bolts that you're gonna use for this piece, because you're not gonna be using the same bolts that you have on your OEM. So that's really good. You don't have to worry about having to go to Home Depot or Lowe's and getting those specific bolts. Originally, when I had looked at EOS's previous rear diffuser, their carbon fiber rear diffuser, which is like an exact match of the OEM, it didn't have those bolts. But this time around, EOS has kind of realized, it's kind of important to have those little extra detailed pieces. So they have it included this time. And yeah, this is going to be a direct plug and play. All you have to do is just take off that rear bumper, remove that rear diffuser that you have on there, put this one on, and essentially you are going to be good to go. Now, because this has those rear fins also, it actually is going to require the additional removal of a piece that's on the underside of that rear bumper. It's just basically a deflector tray that needs to get removed because this is going to be taking up that whole entire piece. So now it's just a few extra steps from like the OEM version, which is really nice. I have that right now currently on my C8 Z06. I really like that one, but this one I definitely like even more because it's just so much more aggressive and it just looks so much nicer. And the finish on this is a good, I would say, solid B+. Honestly, for the price point you're getting on there, this is really, really good. There's a few imperfections that honestly, all it would really take is a good buffing to get it all looking absolutely pristine. But for what you have here, I mean, this piece is super, super nice. You also do have that center weave design in regards to that like herringbone pattern, like right down the center. So if you have carbon fiber bits that are have that little distinctive feature, this is gonna match up really nicely as well. And we'll give you the broad strokes on how to install this. It's actually pretty easy to install this piece. I've already done it for the carbon fiber version that I have on the Z06 currently. It's really, really easy. You could definitely do this at home so long as you have the right tools to do it. So, okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get this installed on the Z06 so we can show you how it looks like on the car. So alrighty guys, so we have finished installing the carbon fiber rear diffuser onto the C8 Z06 and it is looking freaking fantastic. Now the install and fitment was not too bad. The fitment of the diffuser, especially onto that rear bumper, was actually really solid. It did not take me that much effort at all to get it all lined up and just, you know, fitting properly. So big credit to EOS in that regard, is that especially for such a massively large piece, the larger you go, the more complex it is, especially when it has all those complex curvatures, to get everything to line up. That being said, the challenge came more from trying to align that rear bumper back onto the car. Initially, I had a certain sequence of how to get like everything to line up. I had to kind of adjust how I did that and more focus on getting the holes for the rear diffuser lined up first, and then attaching the rest of the bumper on the sides, on the fender sides, and then on the top of the bumper as well. So a little bit of a different sequence than I'm used to doing, but that did help get everything lined up. And once it was all lined up, it was pretty much good to go. So I would rate the fitment about a B plus A minus kind of deal. And the install time in general for this was pretty good. I mean, I spent about maybe 2.5 hours total putting this all together, but that's also me having done this before kind of deal. So it probably would take someone that's doing this for the first time, if they're doing it at home, maybe like 3 or 4 hours at most. Essentially, a lot of that time for me personally though was realigning the whole bumper back onto the car. So aside from that, everything lined up perfectly, everything fit properly. The rear sensors on that bumper, on that rear diffuser, just popped right in, no problems. So it was just a really, you know, nice install that I could actually just enjoy doing the process than anything else. So, and the look on the car, it just makes it look so much more aggressive. I absolutely love how this looks on the car. I still can't believe that I have this piece on there. It just looks, it looks like it should come from the factory like that. It's that good. So I can definitely appreciate the more aggressive stance that it has on the back end. And this is all on stock height. It's not any kind of like lowering I've done. This is all stock height with stock wheels. It looks that much more aggressive on this C8 Z06. So I am definitely liking how it looks. Again, if you are interested in this product, I'll have it linked in the description below so you can check it out. And I would highly recommend this piece for especially my Z06 owners out there. It's a really awesome piece. So, but in any case, I think that's gonna wrap up this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please check out any of my other videos and we'll see you next time. Take care, guys.